Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look at the IKEA PRICKIG Microwave Lid. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is the IKEA PRICKIG Microwave Lid. It is made out of plastic or polypropylene and it has a 9 cm height and 27 cm diameter or width. Just taking a close-up look at the product label for this microwave lid or food cover, and taking a look top down, you can see that it does have a spotted pattern with circles running across the length of the lid, and there are vent holes to vent or release steam through the top of the lid, as you can see right there. And just to give you some sense of the size of this 27 cm diameter microwavable lid, just placing my hand on top of the lid or cover right there. And giving you some close-up looks at this clear or transparent lid with a slight bluish grey tint to it. To give you some idea of the thickness, or firmness of this lid, just squeezing it on its sides to give you some sense of the material, tapping down as well, and of course pressing down, we can see that it does have a rather firm or rigid, robust structure. And to give you some other looks and aspects of this microwave lid, and that spotted or circle pattern or design, and on the underside of the lid as well, we can see that it does have a glossy surface on the inner side. And once again, those randomized vents to allow for steam to escape. And right there, giving you a further out look at this IKEA PRICKIG microwave lid. In my hands, and of course the removable product label or sticky label. And to give you some sense of the size and scale, we can test it out using this Denby Halo extra large plate, which I've unpacked on this channel before. And this plate does have a 30.5 centimeter diameter. And now placing the IKEA PRICKIG microwave lid on top of this Denby Halo extra large plate to give you some sense of scale and size and fitment of this IKEA PRICKIG microwave lid or food cover. So you can see it right there. A very large microwave lid on an extra large Denby Halo plate. So that's the IKEA PRICKIG microwave lid. Thanks for watching and happy covering!